Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn the formula Sumifs if we use in Excel for condition formula purpose, and ifs mean we use more than one conditions. Sumifs mean we can do sum of more than one conditions. Here is the data below. Product, we have two products. Product A expired and its worth is 50. Same product A, it is near expire, its value is 100. And another product is B, near expire, and its worth is 20 and 30. And the last product A expired 200. Here you see we have two criteria. Product A, we want to know the value of expired product A. Therefore we have two criteria, product A and expired, and product B is near expired. How to know that the value of expired product A? You see here in example, product A expired value is 50. Same product A expired value is 200. 200 plus 50, 250. Here you see we use formula here, Sumifs, and its result showing 250. How to do it? Let's do an example. Equal to Sumifs, bracket open. Here you see sum range, comma. Then you see criteria range. This is our criteria, product A. Its range is this, comma. Criteria 1. This is our criteria 1, comma. Criteria range 2. This is our criteria, and this is our criteria range 2, comma. Then criteria 2. This is our criteria 2. We don't have third criteria range, therefore we close our bracket and press enter. You see we get the value of expired product A 250. You can cross verify it. A product expired value is 50. A product expired value is 200. 200 plus 50, 250. Here you see the result 250. The purpose of Sumifs is we do sum of using more than one criteria. This is one criteria and this is our second criteria, and we get result 250. Hopefully you understand this video. If you have any question or queries, you may freely comment us. Thank you so much.